The last page, page 4, deals with the midpoint, where we talked about having, when you have the midpoint, you cut a segment exactly into two equal parts, or part equals part. So as I'm looking here, let's take a look at number 12. It says here W is the midpoint of UV. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this terrible looking line that I have here. And it says W is the midpoint of U and V. So now I know those two segments are equal. If UW is x plus 23, so this guy right here is x plus 23, and WV is 2x plus 8. It wants to know what is the value of x. Well, I know since W is the midpoint that I'm going to set x plus 23 equal to 2x plus 8. And now I'm going to solve. So I'm going to subtract x from each side. Get all the x's to one side of the equal sign. That becomes an x, and then a plus 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then to get x by itself, I'm going to subtract 8. So, excuse me. Made a big mistake there on that one. Well, let's erase this guy. We're not dividing by 8. We're subtracting by 8. And then when I take 23 and I subtract 8 from it, I end up with 15. So x is 15. Now, in this example, they don't ask you what the segment is. They just want to know what x is. Be very careful on the next three because they ask you something a little bit different. Okay, you should be able to complete these other three problems as well.